Mapidot ko bagi kon.
Yeah, mapidok mo bagay mo. Bagay ni daddy atin.
Why is this so cute? You want it?
You can have it.
I'll try.
Unboxing from Kaya.
Oh, it's cool.
Net.
Yeah. I could use it. Oh, I'm a businesswoman.
Businesswoman. Oy, Net.
Look. You could wear this because you'll have to, di ba, trabaho. Look. I think I'd seen this on TikTok, I guess. I'm a businesswoman. Look. Nagputol.
Nya pa.
Just another.
Unboxing.
That's yours. This is mine. all of the yate
Bagay ni ate Kaya. Nag-get niya.
banglo. Oh, there's a ano ka na hapon. Yaman. What's this? This is mine.
Lasin mo kita bagay mo.
Baka half of it. Half tibagik. Bagay brotatan. This is mine.
Cute.
Ang paggaramid ka stoy.
Mm-mm.
Di kulay na.
Lasin mo yung bagay nga rada.
This is mine too. New husband.
Yung husband ko na ni daddy.
New husband. What's this? Nah, this can be yours. What's this one? No. What's this? Oh,
Ay,
this is a coat.
Ang cute. Laman go.
This is mine. This is a coat.
Che, bungga. Dahil, pintasan. Namuwarang gabing.
Hi, Nakong. You bless first for your ninang.
Yes. Kin na.
Okay, this is mine. Jacket dati niyo.
Bagay ni daddy. Detan eh.
What's this? Oh, this will be yours. What's this?
Wow.
This is Ate Sky. Ate Sky's dress.
Kamu to. This is daddy's.
Okay.
That's bed sheets.
Wait, what?
Bed sheets.
Oh,
Open this.
Parang kumaa. Ano ko? Guri ka. Tamtema ko nila mo namiitan. Sanak talaga yun.
Tama na. Bado?
I get out.
Yeah.
What's this one?
Coat. Wow. Jacket. That's daddy's. Is it daddy's? It's for you.
It's
No?
for me.
May you see?
I think so.
Try it. Down, go down na.
Ah. Natipang urwar. Matoy?
Akin unag deta. Akin unag. Baliktadam.